Most people know how to earn money, but very few know how to manage it. Today, I'm sharing 20 golden money rules that everyone should know, because mastering money is mastering life. Let's dive in. 1. Respect small savings. Never underestimate the power of small savings. Over time, those little amounts grow into something bigger than you can imagine. Every penny counts toward building real wealth. 2. Be cautious with credit. Always think twice before buying anything on credit. Debt is not your friend unless it helps you build real assets. If it doesn't grow your wealth, it only drains it. 3. Know your expenses. Deeply, make it a habit to track and understand your monthly expenses inside out. This will help you spot where your money is silently slipping away and give you control over your finances. 4. Spend to enrich, not to impress. Avoid wasting money on things just to impress others. Instead, invest in experiences and opportunities that truly shape your life and personal growth. 5. Master your budget. Master your life. Never ignore budgeting. A clear budget gives you control over your financial future. Instead of wondering where your money disappeared, you'll know exactly where it's going. 6. If you can't afford it twice, don't buy it once. Think twice before any purchase. If you can't afford something 2 times over, it's a clear sign to hold back. Impulsive buys often lead to long-term financial stress. 7. Master the art of negotiation. Every dollar you save through smart negotiation is a dollar earned. Honing this skill isn't just about getting discounts. It's a lifelong advantage that strengthens your financial journey. 8. Know that saving alone isn't enough. Keeping money in the bank keeps it safe, but it won't help it grow. To truly build wealth, you must learn the basics of smart investing. 9. Beware of get-rich-quick traps. True wealth is built slowly, not overnight. Trust the process, stay patient, and remember, lasting success is a marathon, not a sprint. 10. Make saving a non-negotiable habit. Emergencies never come with a warning. Treat saving money like brushing your teeth, essential and automatic. Your future self will thank you. 11. Focus on building wealth, not just looking rich. Chasing appearances drains your wallet and your energy. True freedom comes from real wealth that grows quietly behind the scenes. 12. Protect and build your credit score. Your credit score is like a financial passport. Guard it carefully. A strong score opens doors to better opportunities and lower costs in life. 13. Resist lifestyle inflation. Earning more doesn't mean spending more. Stay grounded and save the extra for your future self. Your older self will thank you. 14. Master the art of needs versus wants. Recognizing the difference between necessities and desires is a superpower. It protects your wallet and strengthens your financial discipline. 15. Build and guard your emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. A solid emergency fund isn't just smart, it's essential for keeping your peace of mind when life throws a curveball. 16. Diversify your income streams. Relying on a single paycheck is risky. Build multiple income sources. It's your best defense against financial instability. 17. Lend money with caution. Only lend what you can afford to lose. Protect your relationships and your peace by being smart about personal loans. 18. Treat every dollar as a soldier. Every dollar you have should be working for you, not just slipping through your fingers. Invest, save, and watch them multiply. 19. Don't put all your savings in one basket. Diversify your investments. Spreading your savings across different assets helps protect you from unexpected market shocks. 20. Make your money work while you sleep. Smart passive investments turn your savings into a growing force, even when you're not actively working. That's true financial freedom. Money isn't just about working harder, it's about working smarter. Apply these 20 rules, and you'll build a future that's wealthy, stable, and peaceful. This is Oceanic Mind, helping you unlock the life you deserve. If you found value in this video, like, share, and subscribe for more powerful insights.